Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today let us learn types of software. A computer is an electronic machine that works on electricity. It can be compared to a magic box that can do a variety of jobs. Computer can be seen everywhere around us like shops, schools, hospitals, banks, airports, railway stations, etc. They work very fast and are 100% accurate. The computer system works with the help of hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch and see are called hardware. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer such as central processing unit, that means CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, speaker and motherboard. Software is a set of instructions that helps the hardware to work in a desired manner. All the work that we do in the computers are done with the help of software. Hardware and software are interdependent. Without software, a computer cannot work. Similarly, if the hardware is not there, the software is of no use. This can be understood with the help of the given example. To listen to music, we required a music system. The music system, CDs and DVDs are hardware because we can touch them. Can you touch the songs? No, that is software. We need both to enjoy the music. There are two main categories of software like system software and application software. System software. This is a computer software designed to operate and control computer hardware and to provide a platform for application software to function. It acts as an interface between computer hardware and other application software. System software consists of the programs that controls the operations of a computer and its devices. The two types of system software are operating system and utility programs. Operating system. Operating system is a set of programs that work as an interface between the user and the computer system. An interface is a bridge that connects two dissimilar systems. The operating system thus allows the user to communicate with the computer system. The operating system refers to a set of programming instructions and also take care of overall operations of the computer system. Role of an operating system. Each time we switch on the computer, a special program called an operating system is loaded into the computer's memory. The operating system, or the OS as it is generally called, allows the user to run other application programs and to fully utilize the hardware resources connected to the system, such as the printer, the floppy disk drive, etc. Thus, the operating system provides an interface between the application programs and the computer hardware. Every desktop computer, tablets, and smartphone includes an operating system. Operating system usually come preloaded on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it is possible to upgrade or even change operating system. The most commonly used operating system are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Utility software. Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. Utility software usually focuses on how the computer infrastructure, including computer hardware, operating system, software, and data storage, operates. Examples: antivirus software, backup software, clipboard managers, debuggers, disk checkers, disk cleaners, etc. Application software. Application software is the set of programs or software written to do a specific task related to fulfill the user's special needs. Example: railway ticket reservation, air ticketing, billing of departmental stores, payroll of companies, etc. The general application software consists of the following: MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, PowerPoint, games.